Auto fix dashboard light not turning on Toyota Corolla product. So if you have any of the Toyota Corolla products ranging from 2005 to 2024 or beyond, and you discover that after putting on your car the dashboard light is not turning on, let's say I just put on my Toyota Corolla 2010, but there's no light on the dashboard. So here I'll show you how to fix this. It is quick and easy. You don't need a third party or mechanic to help you to fix this. To fix this, all you just need to do is this: go to the dashboard on your Toyota Corolla. Then here you can see there is a button here. This button is used to set your Toyota Corolla time, and also there is another button here, this particular button. Now this particular button is used to adjust the dashboard light if there's no light on your Toyota Corolla dashboard. Then let's say this is my dashboard and there's no light in it. To make the light visible, I just need to rotate this button. You don't need to press it, just rotate. So it could be clockwise and it could be anti-clockwise. You see that? Then you can see my dashboard light coming up. So if your dashboard light is not coming up, it could mean that you've accidentally reduced the dashboard light to the barest minimum. In such case, the dashboard light will not come up until you go back and adjust the dashboard light button like this. You see that? So while doing this, just need to make sure you adjust to the barest minimum so that you can easily accommodate this while driving at night. So I think it's fine like this, and you can set this to maximum. You see that? So this is basically what you need to do if your dashboard light or there's no light on your dashboard on your Toyota product. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.